come out with the cook at the end and people see what has been done, they're always really impressed with it. Good things come to those who wait, right?
I never thought I'd be making a video review about a vacuum, but here I am. This thing is awesome.
I want to be able to take the same eyeshadow palette and create an infinite amount of looks.
Through my research, I always found that the Green Mountain Grill actually kept the heat distribution the same and that the ambient temperature was always steady.
My dad introduced me to the Ryobi and I have had so much fun using it. Really glad I found it and really glad I was introduced to it, and if you have a chance, I'd give it a try.
It's such a simple and easy design. It's actually all contained, sealed in here really well.
Delicious. Perfect.
Hi everyone, and welcome to WhyBuy.